Hi there! This is my buddy Steve, and I'm Rhandey. We're going to show you a little bit about Borderlands Earth Care Youth, or BECY, and show you some of our favorite experiences within the internship.
BECY is a program within the Borderlands Restoration Network that educates youth on sustainability and habitat restoration. And while education is a major part of the internship, members of BECY spend a lot of time outdoors, working with their hands and aiding the environment in our community.
It's really cool. Without further ado, let's look at one of those projects we worked on. Yeah! We were one of several groups that assisted Casina with a mural in Richardson Park.
The mural is still in progress, but the idea is to create a Patagonia family tree bordered in turquoise oilcloth.
The purpose of all of this is to beautify the park and portray the history and culture of the area.
We worked on a project at the Youth Enrichment Center in Patagonia, helping Caleb, Borderland Restoration Network's Community Restoration Manager, install cisterns, dig basins, and plant plants.
The purpose of this was to plant the water before planting the plants so that the youth center can cultivate a food forest.
This benefits the kids that go there and the community in Patagonia in general.
It's pretty cool because the kids that go there can take inspiration from all the stuff going on around them and take that information home. Even encourage their families to start collecting rainwater themselves or grow their own food forests.
Yeah, I really like that about this project. It was inspiring to work on.
One of our favorite projects was with the preserve manager, Aaron, at the Nature Conservancy. We helped him remove a rundo from around the creek by sawing down the stalks and digging the rhizomes out of the ground with a pickaxe so they can't regrow.
It was hard work, but very fun. We got our feet wet, we explored the creek, and caught crayfish, which are invasive. We also saw a lot of cool critters in the area.
It was really fun that our facilitators allowed us to be curious and just explore the area and look at what was around us for a little while.
I agree, Rhandey. Let's go see the process.
Woohoo! After we removed all the invasive arundo, we got to collect it to make flutes with. Zach, the watershed restoration crew leader, has been making instruments out of found materials for years and years. The process was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was really cool to take something that is invasive and hurts the environment and make something beautiful that we can make music out of with it.
And I just think flutes are really cool in general. We sawed them into pieces, drilled holes. We even got to decorate them with fire.
The sycamores by the helicopter pad in town are having a hard time. So, we helped Caleb and Joaquin, who is the conservation director, create areas where rainwater from the street can gather and water the trees.
We went out to these pre-dug basins that connected to a curb cut and lined the parts between the basins with rocks to slow the flow of the rainwater and allow it to seep into the soil.
We also placed large boulders, created a zuni bowl at the base of the curb to prevent erosion, and planted native plants to clean water and make the space pretty.
Yeah! We hope you enjoyed getting to see some neat footage of what we got to work on throughout the BECY internship program.
We are really lucky to have gotten such an amazing opportunity to learn and grow. We got so much experience working with our hands out in the field that no textbook lesson could ever replace.
Being able to see the differences that we are making in the community through the learning we have done and the work we have put in is such a life-changing experience that keeps us wanting to continue on the path of restoration and sustainability that BECY has set us on.
Throughout Borderlands Earth Care Youth, we got to work closely with people who have incredible experience working in restoration, education, the arts, history, and much more. We were able to ask questions and have access to their knowledge and expertise in these areas.
All of the people we got to learn from and work with were incredible, and we are so grateful for all that they do.
In addition to all these incredible people, it is fantastically clear that our facilitators care a lot about the work that they do and about educating youth on the importance of restoration to create a better future.
We couldn't have possibly asked for more uplifting, kind, intelligent, and all-around wonderful facilitators. We are so grateful for everything that they have taught us.
The BECY program is a profoundly inspiring experience. And in addition to keeping us wanting to learn and do work in restoration, it serves as an important reminder that there are people out there who care and who are willing to put in the work necessary to build a brighter and more sustainable future.
So thank you, BECY.
Thank you!
Yippee! BECY 2023!
Woo!
Where are the plants? Too much of nothingness. What's going on here?
That's gonna be in the video.
Look at Jordan. Hello, Jordan. How are you?